Yeah, we're shaking. I'm shaking. I can't tell what's shaking. My name is Rockchick32. And I just found my new favorite song that I've ever heard, ever. It's sung by Jensen Ackles. Yes, I said Jensen Ackles. And if you know me, I'm a huge Supernatural fan, just like the other 3/4 of the world out there. And Dean is my favorite character, so I love this band. It's called Radio Company. If I haven't given it to you, I can't remember if I did. And this is my favorite song, and I'm talking over it. Oh my God, he's singing!
Finding room to breathe.
Oh my God.
Go on beyond your way and see. And though the sounds of someday may be home, and though the sounds of someday may be home,
You couldn't ask for more, right? Singing with Jensen Ackles. Woo!
even the fires on the road, trying to get away, and all the stars seem on a roll. How the countries grow today. The sounds of someday may be home, and though the sounds of someday may be home, yeah.
Okay, you guys are probably looking at me saying I'm a freak. I don't care. I am freakily obsessed with this guy. Then you can't blame me, because as I said, most of the world is too, right? You're welcome for finding it. You're welcome.
The sounds of someday may be home. Oh, the sounds of someday may be home. Yeah, I know the sounds of someday may be
Oh my God. That was like a dream right there.